The 8 most impressive flying vehicles that actually exist. Have you ever imagined someone coming home from work, literally flying through the air, as if it were the most normal thing in the world? Well, buckle up, because that's not science fiction anymore. These flying machines already exist, and people are using them to travel in ways that were once impossible. In this video, you'll discover 8 of the most jaw-dropping transportation inventions that exist today. From jet-powered suits that turn you into a real-life Iron Man to personal flying vehicles you can park in your own garage, what you're about to see will absolutely leave you speechless. Number 8, Gravity Industries Jet Suit. Imagine waking up, putting on a special suit, and flying straight out of your backyard like Iron Man. Thanks to Gravity Industries, that dream has become a reality. Founded by Richard Browning, this British company created the world's first fully functional jet suit, turning the fantasy of personal flight into something real. The suit uses 5 miniature jet engines, 2 mounted on each arm and 1 on the back, producing over 1,000 horsepower. It can reach speeds of 53 miles per hour, 85 kilometers per hour, and climb up to 11,800 feet, 3,600 meters. The best part? It's all controlled by simple arm movements, making the flight experience incredibly intuitive. Although it costs around $440,000 and requires training, the jet suit is already being explored for emergency rescues, industrial inspections, and entertainment. It's the first major leap toward making personal flight a reality for everyone. Number 7, Copter Pack. What if you could wear your own personal helicopter like a backpack? That's exactly what the Australian team behind Copter Pack has created. This ultralight personal aircraft uses 2 coaxial rotors mounted on a 42 kilograms, 92 pounds, carbon fiber frame that straps on like a backpack. It can carry up to 120 kilograms, 265 pounds, reach 1,000 meters, 3,280 feet, in altitude, and fly at 43 miles per hour, 70 kilometers per hour. The Copter Pack is classified as ultralight, meaning no pilot's license is required in many countries. Its controls are simple enough for most people to learn in just a few hours, and current battery systems allow up to 30 minutes of flight time. It's already being considered for mountain rescues, emergency medical response, and infrastructure inspection, and yes, you could even keep it in your garage. Number 6, Flyboard Air. Now, picture yourself flying over the ocean. No airplane, no wings, just you and a board under your feet. That's exactly what French inventor Frankie Zapata accomplished with the Flyboard Air. Developed by Zapata Racing, this flying skateboard uses turbojet engines that generate 140 kilograms of thrust, letting it soar 500 feet, 150 meters, high and hit speeds over 120 miles per hour, 200 kilometers per hour. It can fly for around 10 minutes, which is impressive for something this compact. What makes the Flyboard Air truly special is its gyroscopic stabilization system, which automatically balances the pilot and makes it easy to control using body movement and a handheld remote. In 2019, Zapata made history by crossing the English Channel, proving that this invention could change short-distance travel between islands and coastal regions forever. Number 5, Hoversurf Hoverbike S3. Ever wanted to ride a flying motorcycle like in Star Wars? Russian engineers turned that fantasy into reality with the Hoversurf Hoverbike S3. This futuristic bike combines the thrill of motorcycling with the freedom of flight. It uses 4 carbon fiber rotors that can lift up to 120 kilograms, 265 pounds, flying as high as 16 meters, 52 feet, at 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour. Built with lightweight carbon fiber and powered by electric motors, it's quiet, eco-friendly, and surprisingly versatile, perfect for police patrols, air ambulances, or pure adrenaline seekers. With its safety systems like collision sensors and emergency parachute, this could easily become the world's first practical flying motorcycle. Number 4, Jetson 1. Tesla revolutionized electric cars. Now, Jetson Aero is doing the same for personal flying vehicles. The Jetson 1, a Swedish innovation, is like the Tesla of flying cars. This single-seat craft weighs just 86 kilograms, 190 pounds, and uses 8 electric motors to ensure both safety and stability. It flies up to 63 miles per hour, 102 kilometers per hour, with 20 minutes of battery life. Its plug-and-fly design means anyone can operate it, no pilot's license needed. The onboard AI system manages stabilization and navigation automatically, while you simply control direction with an intuitive joystick. Priced at around $92,000, the Jetson 1 is one of the most affordable personal aircrafts ever made. With over 5,000 pre-orders, it's clear the world is ready for this next evolution of personal air travel. Number 3, Pivotal Helix. Imagine having your own personal aircraft that's as easy to use as your car. The Pivotal Helix, an American ultralight aircraft, makes that dream possible. Weighing only 115 kilograms, 254 pounds, the Helix can legally be flown without a pilot's license in the US. Its fixed-wing, electric-powered design allows 20-minute flights at speeds up to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, and a range of 32 kilometers, 20 miles. With AI-assisted navigation and stabilization, even beginners can learn to fly it in under an hour. Priced at $190,000, the Helix is the most affordable option in the premium flying car market, and with over 2,000 pre-orders, it's clear the future of personal aviation is already here. Number 2, Airspeeder 3 Malawian Kwaches. Forget Formula 1, the next big sport will happen in the sky. Meet the Airspeeder 3 Malawian Kwaches, the world's first racing aircraft designed for high-speed air competitions. Developed by Alauda Aeronautics in Australia, the 3 Malawian Kwaches can reach speeds up to 186 miles per hour, 300 kilometers per hour, and perform aerial maneuvers impossible for regular aircraft. Its electric propulsion system enables vertical takeoff and landing, while onboard AI prevents mid-air collisions. Professional Formula 1 and MotoGP pilots are already training for this revolutionary new sport. The first official airspeeder races are being set up now, creating an entirely new global motorsport in the sky. Number 1, XTI Aircraft Tryfan 600. Now, meet the aircraft that could completely erase traffic jams forever, the XTI Tryfan 600. This American-made hybrid combines the speed of a jet, the lift of a helicopter, and the luxury of a private plane, all in one incredible machine. It uses 3 duct fans, 2 on the wings and 1 on the tail, that rotate to switch between vertical and horizontal flight. The Tryfan 600 can take off vertically, cruise at 610 km per hour, 379 miles per hour, and reach altitudes up to 9,100 meters, 30,000 feet. It carries 6 passengers and has a range of 2,400 kilometers, 1,490 miles, all without needing a traditional runway. A New York to Washington trip that normally takes 4 to 5 hours could be done in just 90 minutes, door to door. With FAA certification expected by 2025 and a price tag of $6.5 million, the company aims to launch air taxi services that could redefine urban travel forever. Airplane, the future is already here. As you've just seen, the future of transportation isn't coming, it's already here and taking off right before our eyes. From Iron Man-style jet suits to electric flying cars, we're living in the most exciting era of human transportation. Which one of these futuristic vehicles would you love to fly first? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing technologies that are shaping our future. See you next time.